Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Your go-to source for all things social media, tech tips, and digital trends. If you're navigating the Snapchat universe, you've probably noticed a little green dot appearing next to some of your friends' names. Ever wondered what it means? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of Snapchat to uncover the mystery behind the green dot. So let's get started. First things first, Snapchat is all about instant communication and staying connected with friends, right? This little green dot plays a crucial role in that. Officially, the green dot on Snapchat is known as the online indicator. But what does it actually indicate? Yeah. The green dot appears next to a friend's name when they are actively using the app. And by actively, I mean they're currently in the app either snapping, chatting, or just browsing around. It's Snapchat way of saying, hey, your friend is online right now. Why not strike up a conversation? But wait, there's more. The green dot also appears in other places like the chat section and the send to screen. This makes it super easy to see who's online at a glance, helping you decide who to send snaps or start a chat with. Now, you might be thinking, is there a way to turn this feature off? The answer is yes. So, what you simply need to do is click on the gear icon at your profile, scroll down until you find Activity Indicator, then tap on it. Here, you can toggle it to turn off the green dot, or you can simply say the Activity Indicator. So, there you have it, folks, the mystery of the green dot on Snapchat. I hope this video cleared up any confusion about the green dot on Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Have any questions or insights about Snapchat features? Drop a comment below.